Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to shorten any Google Drive link using Tinyurl. It's super simple and, perfect if you want a clean link to share. So let's jump in. First, open Google Drive and grab the link you want to shorten. Just right-click your file, hit Get Link, and make sure the sharing settings look the way you want. Yeah, then copy it. Now head over to tinyurl.com. You don't need an account for this unless you want tracking features. But for a quick shorten, it's totally fine as is. Paste your Google Drive link into the box. If you want, you can also add a custom alias, like something easier to remember, but that part's optional. Then just click Make Tinyurl. After a quick second, Tinyurl gives you your shortened link. Go ahead and copy it. And yeah, that's your new shareable link. I always like to test it just to be sure. Paste your new link into a browser tab and make sure it opens your Drive file the way you expect. And that's pretty much it. A super quick way to turn a long Google Drive link into something clean and easy to share. If this helped, yeah, feel free to check out the other guides on the channel. Thanks for watching.